Hey guys, so the new Lug box is finally here. I feel like I get mine so much later than everyone else. I saw that some people had started receiving theirs on Monday and it is Friday, and I took my kids to school, came home, and this was on the front porch. So I immediately got my ring light and thought I'm gonna go ahead and film this because I really wanna see what's inside. It's been killing me all week long, not knowing what is inside this box. So this is one of the mystery surprise boxes. If you're not familiar with the Lug boxes, it does cost $169 US dollars. I did have a $30 reward, so mine did cost $139, and we are gonna see what kind of goodies are in this. So it's a complete surprise, and I have purchased every single one of these Lug boxes. I just love the surprise element. And I know I'm taking a gamble as to whether or not what's inside is good or not, but let's go ahead and see what's inside. I mean, this is just driving me crazy. We've got to get this open, and we're gonna see what is inside this new Lug box. All right, so I do think I have all of the tape off of this, and it's been a while since we've had our last mystery box. They were sending them out like every season, and it has been a while since the last one. This one's called Adventure Through the Years. You had a choice of either a color or print, and I chose the color because I'm not much of a print person, and I'm very picky about my prints. So hopefully these are some good colors. So let's see what is inside. Okay, so we have some coupons for $50 off, $100, $25 off, $75, and free shipping to use. And, oh, this tells you what's inside, so I don't want to see that. I want to be completely surprised. And let's see, it looks like we have a charm in the heart, so this is great for the charm bar. I don't have any charms except for the ace, so I'm happy to add this heart to that one, so love that so far. And then it looks like we have the Tango SE in the black rainbow. So I haven't picked up anything in the black rainbow. I don't know how I feel about the colored stitching. I don't know if it's a little bit juvenile to me, and I apologize for anybody that has it. I don't mean anything by that, but I'm just not sure that I liked it. But looking at it, I kind of like the way the colors go against this black. So I'm not familiar with the Tango, you guys. So let me look at this and see. Oh, this is great. I'm gonna love this for traveling. This is awesome. So this is the Tango SE, and it's in the black rainbow. So it's got this little area right here in the front, and you can see the lining is this swallow's lining. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera so much. But I like how you can slide some documents or your phone maybe in there, and I like that it has this little bungee. What is this bungee for? I don't know. I'll figure something out for it. Then when you open it up, you have this RFID protected mesh area right here. Put some passports, and then a place for your pen. And this is rubber right here, so it's not gonna slide out. A zipper mesh area, and looks like 5 credit card slots. I like this, you guys. This is the Tango SC. This looks like a really great wallet. I probably won't use this for everyday use, but I definitely will use this when traveling. This looks like it will be really good for traveling. So that is another great thing. And then it looks like we have a Flutter SE in the ocean blue. Another great color. I love ocean blue. And I'm not familiar with the Flutter, so let's see what this bag is all about. So I like this quilting on here. It's kind of like a floral quilting. I kind of like that. So this is really pretty. I love the color of this. Love the Lug cursive logo. Looks like it's got a water bottle pocket over here that is magnetic close. And then a zipper area down here. Oh, and the lining is the stars and shells, so that's cool. And then, oh, this is neat. I like the organization in this. So you have like a cargo pocket and 2 pen slots in this section right here. I really like that. And then your cell phone area. And this does have something that I don't really care for in bags. It does have a strap that is not able to be detached. So I do like straps to be able to detach if you want to change up the strap, but this one is attached to it, and it is a 1-inch strap. And then let's see, the back has just an empty, nice area here in the back, no organization back there. And let's look on the inside. So I'm not familiar at all with this bag, so I am checking it all out. So you've got 2 cargo pockets and a zipper pocket and a key bungee in here. So this is a good size bag. I like the size of this. It does not look like this is wanting to stay shut. There we go. So this is a really good size bag. I love the color of it. The strap is the 1-inch strap. I like the 1.5-inch better, but love the color, love the lining. And this organization is good in here. No clear view pocket in here though. But this is nice. I like the size of this bag. So love this quilting on the front. Good color too. So far, so good. All right. And then we have a strap that is in BC strap, LV. Oh, that's the love stripe, sorry, in the black. So we have a strap. I don't usually get extra straps. I just change out the ones I have that come with my bags. And so oh, this is one of the Lug. Stop, Amanda. Good grief. So this is one of the bags. This is one of the straps that you can put around your suitcase in the airports so you can distinguish it over anybody else's. So, ooh, I like that. That's a great idea to put in here. I didn't even know they had these. I guess they're going to come out with these in some more colors. So I love this. This is great for your luggage. I don't have one of these. Well, I used to have one of these that was in a yellow, I could really see it with my name on it, and I don't know what happened to it. So that's nice. So that's another good thing. And then, oh, the tags. You've got the tags that will go with your luggage. So my luggage is like a wine color for my carry-on luggage, and then it is like a taupe color. So I guess this will go. It's good that they did like a black stripe because that'll go with pretty much anybody's luggage, I guess. Actually, my luggage is about that color right there, which is perfect. My big suitcase. So this is nice. So you've got your 2 pieces for your luggage. Or they did used to have this and then they quit making it. So maybe they're going to make it in some new prints. Ooh, the Metro XL in Sunset Orange. This is just in time for college football here because we are orange. So this is perfect. Perfect for fall too. I like that quilting. It's kind of like mermaid scales on there. So this is the Metro XL. I had seen this in some QVC presentations being sneaked out. And it looks like it has that floral, the bright floral lining on the inside of that. So this is a good size. I do like the original Metro size because I can just stick it in my back pocket. This is not going to go in my back pocket, but this is a good size if you want some more things in that. And I love the color of this one. So another good thing. And then it looks like we have this one last thing, and it's a big one. So it is the PJLE in the black rainbow. So another black rainbow. So I guess this is all about traveling. You can travel with a cute little crossbody with your Metro XL. Put your luggage strap and your bag tags on there. And have your travel wallet. And then a travel bag. I love the PJ duffel because of all the pockets on the outside of that. So I don't have one of these. So I do like that it is a tote or a crossbody. That's nice. Good drop straps on this one. And love this. This is gonna be a good travel bag, and I'm going on a cruise in a month, so this will be good to try out for that. Oh, it's got the little shoe bag here in the back, so you can put your shoes if you want to. That is so good. Like I said, I don't have one of these guys, so this one's new. Trolley strap, zipper in the back. Oh, and this zipper in the back goes like just down to my hand, so it doesn't go all the way down, so that you have room for this for if you want to put some shoes in there or whatever. And then bottle pockets that are not magnetic. Nope. And then, ooh, it's got a charm bar. I love that charm bar. So you can put your heart charm bar on that. Cell phone lining. Nice little pocket right here. And then your magnetic pockets and your zipper pockets. Is there a wallet in this part? No, 2 pin slots and a felt lined cargo pocket in this one. So this is a good bag. Let's see the inside of it. So it has a cargo pocket in the front, privacy pocket in the back, a little place to put your keys if you want. All right, so this is a good size bag. I'm gonna try this out for traveling next time I travel. So this and the Tango wallet in the rainbow black, so good. Your black stripe, the love stripe tags and strap for your luggage. This is such a beautiful color. I love that they put this color with the black. great little cute crossbody, and then this Metro XL. So excited about the orange color, go big orange. And then the little charm. So this is a really good box. So this box was priced at $169. It looks like there was some really good things in here. There is not one thing in here that I don't like. So I'm really excited about this box. This was a good one, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the new Lug Life box in the solid color.